All right, everybody, welcome to today's video. I have this M12 fuel that I haven't bought a Milwaukee tool in a long time, and this is a 1/4-inch Hex Driver kit, 345322, and I want to add this to my collection. So right out of the box, this is how it comes. I didn't need the charger, but I wanted the extra batteries. So unfortunately, I had to get the kit. But now I think I got extra batteries, so next time I can just buy a tool. Right now I'm just gonna get these all charged up, and this is it right here. There's your settings. So there's the drive control right there. RPM speeds. Oh yeah, they got crazy with some lights on there now. Look how much that lights up. You're gonna see everything. I just picked this up because I've been using like electronic screwdrivers, but they don't have the power like something like this would have. And this is small and compact. It's able to take care of most of the jobs I'm doing in the shop or in the garage. I'll torque those down to the proper specs afterwards. I guess we're gonna find out. Just using the lightest torque setting to get myself in there. So here's the impact driver here. At the end of the day, I've been using it for about 10 months now. And it is probably my most favorite tool to use right now. Definitely a lot of the work you do, especially if you're working on engines and stuff, you need like a lower torque gun to remove like intakes and stuff off these modern engines, and the 1/4-inch works well. And I bought this kit. I basically use a 1/4-inch and 3/8 1/2-inch. Well, you don't really need that. And these Work Pro kits right here I bought help out great. Here's the shorts, and then there's the longs, but it would be nice to have the deep impact set as well. But yeah, this is well worth the money. M12 345320 is the model number. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next one. Take care.